I'm having to redo my wood stove vent because the blower that I installed on there apparently is not strong enough to suck out all the smoke that's inside the stove during a cold start. Right now I'm just in the process of cutting the sheet metals and making that hood that I need. And then once I'm done, I got this pipe, 4-inch pipe that I will weld that into place, and then the hose will be put on this pipe as a connector, and I should be done. Incidentally, I bought these supplies from a local metal supplier here in town, and the total cost was about $18. That's not bad. So this will be the hood, the top of the hood. I'm gonna shape it, but I'll shape that once this is welded in place, and I'll shape it, and then we'll basically weld that. I'll weld that in like that, right? It'll probably be like that because thing will be rounded. The next thing is the welding. Oh, by the way, I've just started welding, so I'm just very basic with my skills in welding, and I hope that as I progress in my experience in welding, will be pretty good. I'm gonna finish the welding today, and we'll put the sides to my exhaust vent. I already installed the pipe the other day, and it was quite a challenge to weld that in place, and I had to redo it because it was not holding, and so I'm learning as I go. I think I got it pretty crude, but I'll just, grind it up and clean it up a little bit, but that's okay. Now I'm going to clean up the weld. I'll clean up the areas that I welded and smooth it out a little bit. Okay, here we go. Okay, think so. I think it's okay now. There she is. My vent. Almost done. Almost done. Alright, so I have the new motor installed now, and we're at cold start. I just started the wood stove, and it appears that the vent is doing the work. And the way I have it connected, I'll show you. There's the new motor back there. So there you go. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn off the fan. And close the lid. Now that the stove is burning on its own, I'm really happy that the blower that I installed is strong enough to remove all of the smoke from the stove while the stove was still cold. So let's check out the chimney outside. We're outside the house and you're looking at the chimney, and what we're seeing is the smoke coming out. So the stove is burning and the motor is turned off. Success at last.